Welcome! Today, we will guide you through the quick installation of various operating systems such as Windows 2007, Windows Server 2008, and Windows XP in VirtualBox. Whether you are a developer or just curious, this guide is for you. So, let's dive in. So, here is the quick guide for installing Windows 7 in VirtualBox. Step 1. Open VirtualBox and click New to create a Windows 7 virtual machine. Step 2. Name your virtual machine and allocate RAM, like 2 gig for a 16 gig RAM host. Step 3. Create a virtual hard disk with at least 16 gig, choosing VDI with dynamic allocation. Step 4. Configure settings by right-clicking on the virtual machine, allocating processor cores, setting video memory to 128 MB, and adding the Windows 7 ISO under the Storage tab. And for the final step, click Start to boot your Windows 7 VirtualBox virtual machine. Here is the quick installation guide for Windows Server 2008 in VirtualBox. First step is to create a new virtual machine and choose Windows 2008 as the OS guest server. Then, allocate 1024 MB RAM and create a 20 GB dynamically expanding hard disk. And then, finish the setup and go to storage settings. Consequently, mount the installation ISO under the IDE controller. For the fifth step, check System Settings, 1 Processor, PAE/NX enabled, and VT-X/AMD-V enabled. And for the last step is to start the Windows 2008 virtual machine in VirtualBox.
Wireless surround device. Wireless surround device.
And for the final installation that we will be doing for this tutorial is the installation of Windows XP in VirtualBox. Here is a quick guide. Step 1 is to open VirtualBox and create a new virtual machine. Here, you will name your virtual machine, choose Windows XP, and set the memory and storage and complete the setup. For step 2, install Windows XP on VirtualBox. Here, you will insert Windows XP ISO in storage settings, start the virtual machine, follow on-screen instructions for partitioning, formatting, and setup. Once installation is successful, you may now enjoy Windows XP on your VirtualBox platform.
Why was your device? Why was your device?
And there you have it, a straightforward guide to installing Windows Server 2008, Windows 7, and Windows XP on VirtualBox. Whether you are a tech enthusiast, developer, or student, Virtualization opens up a world of possibilities. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this guide empowers you to explore, experiment, and make the most of VirtualBox on your chosen operating system. Happy virtualizing and have a great day. Bye!